In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix AirDrop not finding devices on iPhone. And this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, there are a couple of essential quick fixes that you can do, just like toggling on and toggling off the airplane mode on and off, and also the Bluetooth, turn it off and turn it on again. If you haven't set it to everyone, then what you need to do is simply click on AirDrop and click on everyone for 10 minutes. Once you've done that, make sure that both the sender and the receiver iPhones are unlocked and on the home screen, and also ensure that devices are within the 30 feet or 10 meters of each other. If that doesn't work, then what you can do is simply go ahead and try restarting your phone. And if also that doesn't work, then try to head into software updates and then update your phone. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.